Well, I've been to see a project in the Scottish Highlands that could help the entire UK cut its carbon emissions. Take a look at this. This is where the electricity company SSE plans a £2 billion water battery. The hydroelectric plant, the biggest engineering project in the Highlands since the 40s, will store excess renewable power. So here is the plan. They are going to build a dam 92 metres high and 600 metres long across the end of the glen to create a huge reservoir. But here is the really clever bit. The whole project is designed to exploit the key weakness of renewable energy sources like wind and solar. They are great when the sun is shining or the wind is blowing. Then they often generate so much electricity that the price goes to zero. In fact, there are wind farms here in Scotland that are sometimes paid not to supply electricity to the grid. At times like that, turbines will pump water up to the new reservoir. When it's dark or the wind isn't blowing and electricity is scarce, the water can be released, spinning the turbines to generate enough electricity to power 3 million UK homes for 24 hours.
The benefits are that the UK consumers are going to save money. We're going to use less oil and gas to match supply with demand, which is good for everyone, and it helps us achieve our climate goals.
SSE has already spent £100 million digging this tunnel. But heavy engineering like this does not come cheap, and the breakthrough has been finding a way to give investors confidence in the finances of a project that could still be running in 100 years' time. Now, the government doesn't want to put in any public cash, so the plan is to create a floor, a guarantee of minimum revenues, but in return it will also impose a cap on prices to make sure the project doesn't make too much profit. And more projects like this will be needed as the switch to renewable power continues. SSE says once the funding mechanism is finalised, it will press ahead with Britain's biggest battery. Justin Rowlatt, BBC News, the Scottish Highlands.